Are you stuck logged into OneDrive on a shared computer and can't find the sign out button? Here's exactly how to log out in 2 clicks. So maybe you just printed something at a library computer, or you hopped on a friend's laptop to grab a file real quick. But now you're staring at your OneDrive folder and you realize you're still signed in. That's a little nerve-wracking, right? Your personal photos, your work documents, all just sitting there for the next person to see? Don't worry. This is a super common problem, and the fix is way simpler than you think. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the 2 simple steps to sign out of OneDrive on the web. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and make sure you're on the OneDrive website. You'll see all your files in front of you, and up in the top right corner of that screen, you should see a little circle. That's your profile icon. It might have your initials in it, or maybe even a little picture of you. Go ahead and click on that. And here's the thing. This little icon is your key to account settings on almost any Microsoft service. It's not just for OneDrive. So once you click it, a small menu will drop down. This menu shows a bit of your account info, your email address, and a few options. Don't let that list overwhelm you. You only need one thing from here. So now, from that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Just click on that one word, and that's it. Seriously, your account is now disconnected from that computer. The page might reload, and you'll be taken back to a sign-in screen, which is exactly what you want to see. A quick tip here. If you're on a computer that isn't yours, you might also want to close the browser window completely after you sign out, just to be extra safe. And if you see a checkbox that says, "Keep me signed in" during this process, make sure that is never checked on a shared machine. That's a common pitfall. People rush through and miss it, and then they're stuck again the next time someone opens the browser. This guide was actually created using a tool called Double, which is built for making these step-by-step tutorials. So you know this process has been tested in real time on a real screen. It's not just theory. 2 clicks, and you're done. Now you know exactly how to log out of OneDrive in seconds. No more worrying about who might dig through your files after you walk away. You've got total control. And the next time you need to quickly check something on a shared computer, you can do it with confidence, knowing you can lock it back down just as fast. Thanks for sticking with me. Go ahead and take those 2 clicks and get back to your day with some peace of mind.